Hey y'all, hey! It's Amanda here, and it's January 31st, aka my birthday. So, thought we would film a what I eat on my birthday for our upcoming What I Eat Wednesday. So, it is about 10:30. I just got done video chatting with a bunch of family, so I'm going to go ahead and have my coffee. I already brewed a fresh pot, just need to pour it, but let me show you Franny because she's being super cute. Hi, baby. Please ignore how dirty the couch is. We need to clean it. Hi, little baby Rooney. Yeah, she's the cutest baby. So, let's take a look at this here coffee. I like to ground my grounds at home, so I always buy whole bean, and it's just coffee. So I'm gonna have it in my new Bernie mug. I will link to this down below. This is a artist I follow on Instagram, and she makes really cool stuff, and I love this so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour myself some coffee. And then I have been using this barista blend of this pea milk sprout. Yeah, it's pea, powered by peas. It's okay. I'm not gonna seek it out again. Regular old soy milk does the job, but they had this as an add-on in my Hungry Harvest box, so I figured I'd just try it. And that's it. That's my coffee for the morning. Gonna have this, probably relax on the couch, maybe watch a little bit of Food Network or something mindless, just something easy, and then I'll probably have lunch or like a brunch. I bought myself, sorry, it's all up in your face, I bought myself some cake the other day, slice of vegan cake, so I can't wait to have that later. Maybe I'll have that for breakfast. No, I think I want something savory. Maybe I'll make some just egg or something. I haven't decided what I want, but I will be back to show you guys after I finish my coffee. I totally forgot to mention it is snowing today. It's a really, really tiny fine flake right now, so it's not making a lot of accumulation, but it's supposed to snow straight into tomorrow, so I think eventually we will have a lot more snow. Yes, my poor little pot is broken. I'll deal with that when it's less cold. But yeah, pretty snow day. Okay, it's 11:27 and I have decided that I want to do like some egg southwesty nacho type thing, because I keep seeing like egg nachos everywhere. Well, I've seen real egg nachos like on TV, but I want to make like just egg ones. So I'm going to scramble up some just egg, and I'm going to top some scoops with, I have black beans in the fridge, I have salsa, I'm gonna chop up an avocado. I don't think I'm gonna make guac, I think I'm gonna leave it as avocado. Or maybe I will. I don't know, I haven't decided. And then obviously some vegan cheese, and I think I'm gonna put onion in the just egg, so I won't have to add onions. So that's the plan. I'm gonna get the just egg going. Oh, and tater tots. I think I'm gonna cook some tater tots in the air fryer and then crumble them on top of everything too. So that's the plan, and hopefully it's delicious, because it sounds like it's gonna be delicious. That's what I'm gonna make. So we'll see how that goes. So I chopped up one very tiny onion, and I have it going in there with just a little spray of avocado oil. I'm gonna let that cook down and get the tater tots going in the air fryer while this cooks down. To my just egg, I like to add some seasonings. I like garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, parsley, and pepper, and then towards the end I add a little bit of kala namak. And I'm gonna put cheese on the egg too, instead of just throwing it all over the nachos. That way it can get melty in the pan and be yummy. Okay, I like to do my tots at 390 for 11 minutes. Get those going. And then I think the onion is just about good. So I'm going to add the just egg. into the pan. I like to shake it before I open it. Austin's already used some of this one, so it's like half used. I'm just gonna use the whole rest of the bottle. And I've got it on a medium-low heat right now. Alrighty, now I'm gonna put the camera down so I can add my spices, and I will be back when we have a little something more to share. The egg is completely cooked. I have turned the heat off, and I'm going to just let the residual heat melt the cheese underneath the lid. This is the cheese I'm using from Good Planet. It is their hot pepper cheese, so I guess it's supposed to be like a pepper jack, but it's kind of orange, like a cheddar. I don't know. That's the one I'm using, just because I thought peppers would be nice with nachos. I only use a teeny tiny amount of Colin Mock. I find that it can get to be a little too aggressive if you use too much. Austin likes using a ton. I don't. I like a tiny sprinkle. So I'm going to put this stuff away. And actually, I'm going to leave these out. I think I am going to make some guac. Whenever I do my really basic bitch super fast guac, I just throw in garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. I don't have lime, so I'm going to squeeze some lemon in. And then I'm also going to mix in, I have a little bit of cream cheese left, Kite Hill cream cheese. So I think that'll go good with like the breakfast theme. Okay, here is my like quasi guac. Did 1 avocado, about 1/4 cup of the cream cheese, Kite Hill plain cream cheese, half a lemon juice, the juice of half a lemon, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And that looks like it's gonna be good. Yeah, tastes pretty good. Would have been better with lime, but I don't have lime, so working with what I got. Got out my black beans and my salsa. This is a chipotle salsa. This was in the add-in market in my Hungry Harvest box. I really like that, actually. And then I have some jalapenos. I'll probably get some of these out and cut them a little finer to sprinkle all over. Okay, this is the best view we can get at the moment. I'm going to add some of my black beans. Then I want to add some egg. And I'll break it up a little smaller with the chips when I actually get to eating it. It's just not very easy to do that with a spoonula. This looks so good already. Now I'm going to throw over my tater tots. I might have made too many tater tots, we'll see. I'm kind of making a big amount because I'm anticipating Austin will probably want to eat some of this whenever he gets out of bed. He just lays around in bed a long time on the weekends. Yeah, this might be too many tater. You know what? They're going all in. Oh well. Can never have too many tater tots. Yeah, actually you can. I'm gonna stop there. That's too many tater tots. We've got our jalapenos. And salsa. Lots and lots of delicious salsa. And then our guacamole. Big old dollop on top. And yes, I know this is like a super bastardized guacamole. I'm just winging it with what I have at home. And for the final touch, I'm going to pick a hot sauce. Let's see, which one do I want? I think we're gonna do this one. The habanero condiment from Yellowbird. I love this hot sauce. And just do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And I'm done. And here's the final product. I have a feeling this is gonna be way more than I can eat. Probably more than me and Austin can both eat. So I'll probably save leftovers to eat later or tomorrow or something. But it looks so good and so obnoxious and so indulgent. Doing a little check-in here because I'm still eating. Poured myself a glass of orange juice because breakfast vibes. I had to tell you guys, this is stupid delicious and you need to make it. It's just so good. So good. The egg really, or the Just Egg really provides something that is just over the top. It is delicious and I'm obsessed now. It is 5:43. It has snowed significantly outside. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see out that window, but yeah, pretty snowy out there. I have taken a nap. I have watched a movie. I watched Palmer on Apple TV. That is the new Justin Timberlake movie, and it's also his birthday. We share a birthday. It's my mom's birthday too. I was born on her birthday. Fun fact. And that was a really good movie. I liked it. I liked that movie a lot. We watched The Little Thing with Denzel Washington and Jared Leto and Rami Malek 2 days ago, I think. And that movie was terrible. So that's on HBO Max. Can't recommend that. Don't watch it. Don't waste your time. It's slow. It takes forever. The ending sucks. So yeah. But Palmer, very cute. Really enjoyed it. And then I've also just caught up on the first 2 episodes of the new season of Riverdale. The show is terrible and I can't stop watching it. I hate like every character. The plot makes no sense. I can't stop watching it. So I want to show you what I'm about to eat. I know I should probably be eating dinner, but oh well, I'm eating something else. So I have this cake. I think it's like a chocolate with some sort of, I guess, whipped cream. And it's got, I think, some strawberries in there. I got this a couple days ago at Golden West in Hamden. They contract with Vegan Treats in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, which is my favorite vegan bakery ever. We got them to do our wedding. I love that place, but they're 3 hours away. So I'm so glad there's a place that contracts with them in the city. So I got this, and I know it's not the freshest because it's a few days old, but I don't care. I just wanted to have a piece of cake for my birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, even though it's dinner time. I don't care. It's my birthday. I can do what I want. Those Just Egg nachos kept me so full for so long. It's been hours, but I do want a little something sweet now. So I'm going to eat this. I'm going to watch Archie make more bad decisions, and yeah, I might come back in a little bit to have actual dinner. So I was only able to eat half that cake. Can I zoom out? No, let's zooming in. No, I was only able to eat half that cake because it is rich, and also the strawberries were a little funky tasting, so I just pulled them off. But the cake and the icing tasted fine, so I guess I'll have cake for another day. Because it was very rich, really good, but really rich. So I can only eat a little bit. Now I'm just playing with Franny. And still watching Riverdale, and it is still just as ridiculous as always. Okay, it is 8 o'clock. I'm just finally getting hungry, and I think I'm gonna try my hand at making a potato pizza, which I've never done. But it sounded really good. I heard someone talk about it earlier, and I'm like, that sounds yummy. So I'm thinking thinly sliced potato, some sauteed mushrooms, and maybe a little bit of kale on the pizza would be good. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just kind of winging it. So I'm gonna get my crust out of the fridge and the oven preheating and give it a go. Okay, so all of my lovely silicone mats are dirty, so I had to use foil because that's all we have on our pan. And I have the dough stretched out, and I just like to put little finger dents in it. I feel like it helps it stay flat and keep from bubbling up. Over here, I have mandolined my potatoes nice and thin. Now I need to close this drawer. There we go. Now I need to get out my mushrooms. I'm gonna pre-saute these just a little bit so they get a nice like umami flavor to them. And then I think I might give the kale just a tiny saute. We'll see. I gotta get these cleaned and cut up first. My mushrooms are chopped and sauteing. When I want to get them to a really nice consistency when it's cooked, I throw them in the pan with just a little oil. No salt, no pepper. Someone on the Food Network said that if you prematurely salt them, that's what can kind of lead to them getting like a slimy vibe. So I have stopped salting them prematurely. And honestly, I'm gonna salt the pizza since it's gonna have potatoes on it. So once I layer the potatoes down, I'm gonna add a little salt on top. I'm not even gonna bother while I'm sauteing them. So for my sauce, I took the remaining little bit of Kite Hill cream cheese I had, and I added lemon, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning and pepper, and the juice of half a lemon. And yeah, I just kind of mixed it up, and it tastes really good. So that's what I'm gonna use as like my cream sauce. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat so I can do the initial bake on the crust, and then I will layer everything up. Okay, so I was digging in the fridge to see what else I could throw on this pizza. I'm gonna put some olives on it. And I forgot I had pesto, so I mixed a little pesto in here too, and it tastes fantastic. I'm gonna chop up some Kalamata olives that are gonna go on top too. And every little bit of me wants to put Calabrian chili on it, but I'm gonna give it a try without the chili. Come on, focus. I'm gonna give it a try without the chili and see how it goes. I just love spicy things, but I might end up putting chili on it. We'll see. So I got distracted because my girlfriends started messaging in the group chat, and I didn't show you the pizza before it went in the oven, so let me try and pull it out from a distance. Let's see if I can show you from a little way back, because I don't want to burn up my camera. It's got 5 minutes to go. I think it's gonna be delicious. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna show you it when it comes out of the oven. And yeah, then we'll be back. Oh, actually, before I stop filming this clip, let me show you the pesto I was using. I found this on Amazon. It's Legnano, and it is specifically vegan. It's labeled vegan, so that was an exciting little find. So here is our finished product. I took a little potato from the end just to check and make sure they were done, and they were perfectly done. So beautiful. Now the real question is, am I gonna want to put spicy stuff on it? I'm gonna cut it up and get it on my plate and get a few bites in and see how we go. I might put some Calabrian on it, we'll see. Okay, I took a bite. It is freaking delicious, but since I'm a heat fiend, I'm going to put some Calabrian chili dollops on here just because I have to have it. That's just who I am as a person. But it is so, so good.